I'm Paul Shepherd and I'm the founder and CEO of voicebots. We're a multi-award-winning intelligent automation company. Our software is used by enterprise clients to rapidly build, test, train and deploy service automation tools that can be powered by conversational AI such as voice and text. We think it's wrong that 26% of an employee's time in the workplace is wasted executing manual, repetitive tasks such as accessing IT support, finding policies, or handling high-volume, low-value customer inquiries. We also think it's wrong that £37 billion is lost by UK companies every year because of poor customer services, whereby submitting a meter reading, reporting a missed bin collection, or requesting a duplicate statement of some description all take far too long. We built our Intelagent platform to solve these issues so that service automation bots can handle the ordinary and teams can get on with delivering extraordinary work, meaning customers can come to rely on extraordinary service. We currently work with 15 enterprise customers. We've generated £1.5 million to date, and we've just enjoyed our strongest quarter to date in terms of monthly recurring revenue growth. The total addressable market in the UK, EU and US is around $18 billion. And we anticipate that a 1% share of this market will see us generating more than £100 million in annualized recurring revenue. We believe we have a number of product and company USPs. Our focus is on service automation as opposed to process automation. We can handle 120 different languages through our platform. We have over 100 predefined automation frameworks, meaning our customers don't need to start from scratch. And we have a growing global partner network, giving us a reach far beyond that normally associated with a tech startup like ours.
I'm Patrick Koch and I'm WB's Chief Commercial Officer. I've joined the business now about 12 months ago, having spent most of my career building partnerships and enabling partners across EMEA, Asia Pacific, and for some of the biggest names in the digital intelligent automation space like Nintex, Automation Anywhere, and having worked a lot with Microsoft. There's a massive opportunity for intelligent automation powered by conversational AI, and I'm super excited to help grow WBB into a global player in this space. We believed from the beginning that we could grow to become a $100 million business, and with an ever-growing and now increasingly transactional partner network, I see absolutely no reason we shouldn't aim to become a $1 billion business.
This is still a nascent technology and a huge amount of market adoption needs to take place to realise our ambitions. But that market adoption is starting to take place. In fact, Gartner predict that conversational AI, something that's deeply woven into our product, will be adopted at a rate of over 100% in the next 3 to 5 years. Our exciting challenge now is to prove that we've come through COVID, to march on to a recurring revenue number of over £1 million in the next 12 months. And we believe this will mean we are strongly capitalised to exploit the huge opportunity unfolding in front of us. We'd love you to join that journey. I'd like to thank the 1,500 plus investors that have already seen the opportunity and joined the voicebots journey. And I'd love to welcome a whole raft of new investors who can see this opportunity and want to be a part of an exciting journey.